After that great match between Alexis and Jacob, moving on to War Women's action, and this one is going to prove to be a bit mentally challenging on both women involved.
She has a fucking rocket launcher.
And approaching the ring from Guadalajara, Mexico. Oh, I said it wrong. Mexico, sorry. She is Azufre.
Who
the hell, Mark? You just dropped like off the ceiling.
The ceiling's on fire, lads.
Yeah, it is.
Someone checking somebody for the fire department.
Someone check on her, right?
Okay.
Actually, we check it hard on the first thing we see is how to throw the ball. Turn it off, okay?
Yeah, listen, I know one of the guys back there loves China, but come on, be serious, guys.
And the country.
No. And the country.
Yeah, we got social credit points up. Let's go.
Yeah.
And her opponent and her sister, also from Guadalajara, Mexico. She is Rosa Reina. How much smoke do we spend on her?
Probably not as much as like half of the other heroes.
Oh, we know, hold on. We just got the back, we just got behind us. We just got a secondary school to just vaping. We got all the vapors in the secondary school.
You're gonna love this. Here it is. Here she comes. Bump up in the hair.
That's not her hair, that's her mark.
That's not.
Nice one, buddy. You fucking idiot.
Listen, I have one job and that's enough. Wait a minute, let me get back. Well, let's get this match party started. Let's go.
Here we go.
Leon immediately counters. Azufre now has Leon up, looking for a power slam. Oh, not the power slam.
What's that?
Oh, driving the back, driving it into the back of the head, sorry.
The crowd wanted this match to get it done.
Oh no, immediately going to the top.
Oh my god.
Big splash!
The camera starts to all taking pictures of this. They love this.
Oh, dragon screw! Oh, stomping her own sister's arm.
Not again! Not again!
Not again.
Again!
Trying to trying to stop. No, she's trying to immobilize the arm because her finisher is a dragon sleeper.
Yep.
As she also uses the DDT, she also uses the double arm DDT. And there's the ladder. The crowd want tables.
Again.
But we're getting the ladder so far. Look at this, working her arm again.
Oh my god!
Now what's Leon doing again? Oh, she's listening! Oh, but no, immediately kicked out by Azufre.
What the hell did that
Back into the ring. Oh, what's Azufre getting now? It's a kendo stick.
Oh god.
Oh! Look at the combination!
Yeah, Jesus.
Drop kick to the knee.
Oh no, look at this. Just raining shots down on her own sister.
Oh my. Oh, forearms! That was brutal. Oh my god! That was brutal. Oh, Testinger.
Oh!
She couldn't do that with her own sister. She couldn't attack. Come on.
Oh my god.
Oh! Snap German. I was gonna say dragon for a second.
Big shots now from Azufre.
Oh, attack to the gun itself. This is not looking good.
Oh!
Oh my god. Come on, don't do that.
Does it anyway.
Launches her own sister to the other side of the ring area now. Oh!
my God! Tapping her head to the floor.
Oh, no.
She's up. How's Leon certain?
Oh. Look at this, just the palm strike. It's an elbow!
Oh no! Oh
no! Amelia getting out.
Wait a minute. Forward.
Into the apron.
Attacking into the ring post. Not ring post, the ring itself. Whoops.
Oh.
And not
stops himself, but it's caught again by Azufre. Big punch.
Headlock, oh.
And now,
Good.
roll for the kendo.
Over gets it, but drops it. Leon Slovenia throws on the other side.
Goes into the ring itself. This is not good.
Oh no, she's got the kendo, but a big shoulder tackle.
Oh!
What's she thinking now? Throwing her back into the ring.
Throw it into the ring! Throw it into the ring!
Yeah, bring the sledgehammer in. But no, drops it. Oh! Leon Plex!
Dragon suplex! That's it! 1, 2!
That was not a dragon suplex!
Oh, the cow! Oh! I didn't say dragon, I actually said dragon. That's dragon suplex. Oh!
Oh my god! The Leon Plex wasn't enough. Oh my god, raining the sledgehammer down. Gets called backbreaker. Lariat lands on the sledgehammer. Oh, could this be it?
This might be it.
It might be.
Rosa Plex! It's over!
That has to be it. 1,
2!
Oh my god.
Kick out from Azufre!
Put that kick out.
She does not want to be the inferior little sister.
She does not.
Ask the little sister, she already is inferior.
Look at that, just taunting. The crowd not liking it, you can hear it. Oh, but taking her sister down. Raining the palm strikes. Oh, going for the sledgehammer. Oh, right to the tailbone. He's back up.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. They're in the fist!
He is angry!
He?
Oh my god!
Oh, what an E! Oh, going to the top. What's Leon thinking? Look at the fly with an elbow drop! Into the cover, middle of the ring! 1, 2! Kick out from Azufre!
Azufre is not giving up!
Looking for another Rosa Plex. Connect!
Oh my god! That
it's
has
over.
To be it. 1, 2, 3.
Here is your winner by pinfall, Leon Rosa Reina. Come on, Mike.
People happy. People maybe cheer, but